I honestly do believe that ExoMind has changed my life.
ExoMind brought my joy back.
It has been life-changing to me.
Kind of gave me a boost. Had a little happiness, you know.
I'm feeling a lot better.
I met a man. First time in 15 years.
I've tried all of the CBTs, the DBTs, the group therapy, no exaggeration, probably at least 25 different antidepressants over the years. And this had almost an immediate effect and a lasting effect, which was quite wonderful.
There's no drugs. You don't have to pay for counseling. You don't have to go sit there and share all your thoughts and feelings, but something happens.
Just overall happier. That's what I noticed, like immediately.
I think I allowed myself to be open for a new life coming.
It was really, really nice. It helped out a lot, actually.
I really felt it each treatment. I felt it getting better and better, and my happiness, my joy, everything came back.